Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters. Today we're going to take a special preview look at a brand new kit that's just coming out from Meng. This is their 48th scale FA18E Superhornet. Beautiful brand new tooled kit. I had a chance to peek inside a little bit and it looks very, very nice and detailed. So this is just, like I said, going to be a quick look at these. They are arriving in the United States right now. We have them in our store as well as our website, andyshhq.com, if you want to take a look at one of those. And also, we're a direct importer of Meng, so we have some really good prices on all of these kits. So take a look at them in there. So let's get started. So let's start off with the box of this brand new Meng 148 scale Boeing F-A-18E Superhornet. I have to say, I'm very excited that Meng has decided to do the F-A-18. It's such an important airplane, especially in the U.S. arsenal, and all of the other, modern day jets are all getting redone by a lot of different manufacturers. We haven't seen a ton of FA-18s yet, so it's good to see them coming out with a brand new state-of-the-art kit. So let's take a look at the plastic that's inside. And here we are. Here is, first of all, the fuselage of the airplane. We'll get in nice and close. This is obviously the bottom. See what an unusual way this piece is molded right here, but some very nice detail. And then we're going to go over to the top of the fuselage now. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe to get these openings right here, this had to be slide molded. I'll move in a little bit closer so you can see all the detail. Very nice. And I was looking at these parts earlier, and I think they did an extremely nice job doing the plumbing on this thing here. It's very, very fine detail. Looks really, really good. And we'll kind of just show you all of the sprues here. Here's our landing gear. Next up, right there, we've got the nose cone. Looks like there is slide molding on the edge of this sprue, both on this side as well as this side. Come over to this sprue, some more slide molding done on the edge here, and actually up on the figure as well. We got part of the seat. And you get two of that last sprue we just showed you. Next up, we have some more of the body pieces. And then now we're going to take a look at all of the armament. And they do give you a variety of different types of arms for it. This first one right here, you get two of. the side winders. There are a couple of those inside there as well. We've also got the cockpit. Almost missed this piece right here. Looks pretty nice. Those other two parts on there. And this is kind of interesting the way they did these. I believe these are guided bombs. Get 2 of those in the kit. And finally, this last missile here. And we have one more piece of the armament. You get 2 of these inside the kit. And now we'll take a look at the canopy. Looks to be pretty nice. I do have to make one comment. It comes wrapped in this this cling wrap right here. And man, I wish I knew the brand of this, because this stuff stuck to itself so well. It was wrapped around here to protect this. And I haven't seen anything like it in this country that sticks this well. It took me like 10 minutes to get this off of here, it felt like. But very well protected at least. And finally, inside the kit, there is a little bag of pins, which I'm sure will be described inside the instructions, which I will show you next. Now, let's take a look at these absolutely gorgeous decals they have come inside the kit with. They are printed by Cartograph and just very, very nicely done. Super thin, not very, very thick like some can be. Very, very nice. And you can see you get quite a few different marking options here. There's some high vis and some low vis type lettering on it, so really nice looking. And what I'll do is I'll pull my hands away for a minute and let you guys take a quick couple of seconds just looking at the different stuff that comes on that. And while we're doing that, you also get this secondary sheet. Let me turn it over there. Hold it up to the camera close so you can see what's on there. There is also this. Let's see, what is this right here? Looks like, oh, that's a stencil. Or, yeah, a peel-off sticker stencil, so get that. And a fire engine going by. And there is a little bit of photo etch inside there, too. You can see right there. And finally, I'm going to give you a quick peek at the decals, the instructions. We'll take a quick peek at the instructions. I know a lot of guys like to take a look at those to see how the kit goes together before you actually buy it. Gives you kind of an idea. And many, many of you have requested that when I'm doing this, that I show you all of the pages in case they have some questions before they actually purchase the kit. So I'm just going to take a couple seconds, maybe like 30 total. Go down the line and just show you each one of the pages here. Looks like a decent number of parts. Nothing super, super crazy. I mean, you saw all the sprues that we had laid out there, but the quality and detail looks phenomenal on it. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it looked great to me. Tell me what you think. Put down in the description down below what you think of this kit. Looks really nice to me. There you are, guys. There is a quick peek inside the new FA-18 Superhornet from Meng in 48 scale. Looks to be a beautiful kit, but please go ahead in the comments down below. Tell me what you think of it. Especially all of you modern day airplane aficionados and experts. I have to admit, I'm not super big into modern day airplanes to know everything about them. More so World War I, World War II. But love looking at them. They're absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous models. And it's great to have this addition of a brand new FA-18 to add to all the other modern day jets that are being produced by all the other companies out there. So this is available in the United States right now. A little plug for my website, andyshhq.com. We have them on there. We have a great price on it for this really incredibly nice looking kit. So I want to thank you guys as always for watching, and please stay tuned because we have many more videos coming.